Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well and all staying safe. This is going to be the third update for my 2020 Project Pan. This year I'm doing the hashtag teamprojectpan that was started by Kat and Hailey from Beauty News. And basically what it is a full year-long rolling project pan. There's all the different categories of makeup for the project and also some non-makeup categories. And as you use up an item, you replace it with a similar item. So I will get into what I used up first, and then I'll go over my updates on everything I'm still working on. So this past month, I only used up one item, and it was a hand cream. Of course, with everything going on right now, I've been washing my hands a lot and using a lot of hand lotions. My hands have been very dry. So I did use up this hand lotion. This is from the Body Shop. It's the Peppermint Candy Cane Fragranced Hand Cream. Now, my hands are super dry and the fragrance hand creams aren't really the best. They actually dry my hands out more. So I just had a little bit of this left, so I was able to get through it. But now I replaced it with this hand cream from Bath & Body Works. This is a hyaluronic acid hydrating hand cream. So this is actually much better for my hands than like the very fragranced hand creams. So this is my replacement hand cream. And I just started using this, but I'm almost finished with it because I've just been using it so often because my hands have been so dry. But that's my replacement item, and I think I can definitely get through this by the next update, just going through it so quickly. So that's the only thing I've used up. Honestly, over the past few weeks, I really haven't been wearing makeup. I've pretty much just been staying at home, working from home, and, you know, not really leaving the house. So I've not really been wearing a ton of makeup. I want to kind of make more of an effort to wear makeup because I do really like, you know, the process of putting it on. I like wearing it. So I want to make a little bit more effort with it, but honestly, I haven't made a ton of progress on all of my makeup items, but I will go through everything. So for primer, I have the Benefit POREfessional. This I'm almost finished with, so I just need to use it a few more times, but I've been using, trying to get through some of my moisturizers, and certain moisturizers don't work well with this. It has to be like a good combination of products. Otherwise this like balls up and kind of like peels off my skin. It's really weird. So I think the mix of like different ingredients and products like don't mesh well. So this one is very finicky. So I haven't quite gotten through this yet, but hopefully over the next month I can actually make more of an effort and wear makeup more often and get through this, but almost finished with that. Then I have my foundation. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. I'm actually almost halfway finished with it, if you can kind of see there. Again, I'm not wearing makeup every day, so I haven't been getting through this as quickly, but I'm not in a super rush to get through this. This is currently my only foundation, so when I wear makeup I do use it, but kind of working my way through that. Then I have my concealer. It's also the Urban Decay Stay Naked. Again, this is my only concealer. I had to think about it for a second, but yeah, that's my only concealer currently. So I'm using it every day. I'm wearing makeup, but that's not that frequent these days, but trying to make my way through that. But again, I'm not like looking to use this up like super quickly because it is my only concealer at the moment. And then I have my powder. This is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. Now, this I am almost finished with. I don't know how well you can see. I just have a little bit of powder at the bottom. So honestly, this is only a couple more uses. I do have a backup of this. So this is something I really want to get through over the next month. I want to wear my makeup at least enough to get through the rest of this powder. And I just have like a little bit left. But again, using this every day that I wear makeup, which hasn't been as frequently lately, but I do want to get through that little last bit of powder because I'm so close to getting that finished off. Then I have my setting spray, primer water. I kind of like this if I feel like the moisturizer I'm using isn't really going to work well with POREfessional. I can use this as an actual primer, and then I can also follow it up and use it as a setting spray. So I actually have gotten some good use out of this. So here's my new mark. I did spray this on my face rather recently. I just did my makeup, so it is kind of bubbly, so you can't really, like the bubbles kind of make it look more full than it is. But this is my mark where the actual water is versus last time. So I was able to make some good progress on this. I think just continuing to use this or using it for both a primer and a setting spray has helped me to get through it a little bit faster, but that's where I am with this. I just want to continue to make some good progress on this one. Then I have my blush. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Mood Exposure. I've said this before, I'm not thinking of using this up over the year. Blushes just take so long to get through. So I'm just trying to be consistent with my use and maybe hit pan on this. I don't know if that's even possible within a year, but that's where I am with this. Again, I'm using this every day I wear makeup, which isn't as frequent as it has been, but that's where I'm with that. Then I have my highlighter, which is the Mary Luminizer, and it's just a little deluxe size of highlighter. Honestly, I feel like I've only used this like once or twice. Like when I do makeup, I kind of have been forgetting to use this highlighter. I'm just not a big highlighter person, but that's where I am with this. So hopefully I can start using this a little bit more consistently. Then I have my other Hourglass product. It's the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Ethereal Light. This, again, I'm using every day that I do wear makeup, and I have made some really good progress with this. So hopefully by the end of the year, I can have this one finished off, but that's where I am with it currently. So you can hit a lot of pan on that one. Then I have my eyeshadow primer. This is the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. Again, when I wear makeup, I'm using this. This I have taken the stopper out of. So I would like to get through this. I don't know how much longer this is gonna take, but yeah, still working along on this one, but I do want to get this finished off. I do have a backup of this and I would like to start using that one at some point. But yeah, still have a good amount of product left in here. Like once you take the stopper out, there's so much product on the side that you can get to. So I feel like this is still going to take me several more months to get through. Then I have my eyeshadows, the single eyeshadow by Urban Decay in the shade Sin. Honestly, I kind of forgot about this. When I am wearing makeup, I've been reaching for, recently I've been using my Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, so I kind of even forgot about this. But yeah, I need to make some better use with this. I feel like if I'm doing my makeup in the morning, like before I go work from home, I should be like doing just a quick like look, just to feel a little bit more put together. And like this eyeshadow would be a great one to just reach for and just like swipe all over my lid. So maybe I can get some more use out of this. Then I have a liner. This is my also Urban Decay 24/7 liner in Desperation. I was talking about last time, my update, that I just need to use this more, and obviously I haven't. Like liner's one thing I'm just not really reaching for at all right now. But yeah, my line's from when I started, so I haven't really made any visible progress on this. So that's something I need to focus on a bit more. I have my mascara. I added this in at the last update, so I've been using it for like a month now. This is the Benefit They're Real. Again, I wear this when I wear makeup, and then the days I'm not wearing makeup, I'm not putting on mascara. So this will still take me several more months to get through, but that's the mascara. Then I have my brow products. Same story with these. I'm wearing them when I'm wearing makeup. So they're both also from Benefit. This is the Gimme Brow. All of the wording has like worn off. And then my brow setting, my brow gel is the 24-hour brow setter. So just wearing those when I'm wearing makeup. So I want to try to wear makeup a few more days a week, make more of an effort with it. I do have my lipstick. This is the Kiko Milano lipstick. I was surprised that I had a new mark for this because I was gathering all this stuff to film this video, and I'm like, a few of the things, like the lipstick, I was like, oh, I forgot about the lipstick. I forgot I was trying to use it up. But I do have a new mark for it. So at least the beginning of the month, I used it enough to have some visible progress on it, but I need to get better about using this lipstick, so that's where I am with that. Still have a good amount of this left to go through. I also have my lip gloss. This is something else I kind of forgot about. This is the Bite French pressed lip gloss in the shade Flat White. I don't have a way to really measure it. I guess I could put it in hot water to see where all the product settles, but need to be better about using this. I'm wearing it today because I'm like, oh yeah, this lip gloss, the lipstick, I'm wearing both of the products today, but I haven't really been reaching for this one over the past month a ton, so need to make some more progress there. And then I have been using this, the Fresh, my lip balm, the Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel. So that's what I have left. The only thing with this is you have to like dip your finger in it, and I feel like it's not the most hygienic, so I haven't been using it like a ton. I kind of use it when I can like wash my hands and I'm doing makeup like in the morning, but I'm not like reapplying it throughout the day because I just feel like it's not the best in terms of packaging. I like something more like a stick balm that I can just easily apply, but that's where I'm with that. So those are all my makeup items. I do have some non-makeup items. So I talked about the hand cream. That's one of my non-makeup categories. I also have a fragrance category, and I have two perfumes. They're the Nirvana, the Elizabeth and James Nirvana Black and White perfumes. Now, I can get more use out of these because for work, I'm not really supposed to wear like very scented products. I wasn't really wearing these to work, but now that I'm at home all the time, I can get some more use out of these. So I have been using these more frequently. Bad thing with these for a project is I really can't tell how much product I have of these, but I have been getting more use out of these. And then my body care product is the Body Shop, the Mango Body Yogurt. And this one, my last update, I had just put this in the project and I only had used it like maybe 2 times, but now I've been using this every single day. And same thing with this is very heavily fragranced. So it's not something I was really wearing to work. I wanted to wear something a little more like toned down because I usually put this on in the morning. But now like working from home, I have been using this every single day. So I'm right now to like this mark. I've used up about 1/3 of the product, and that's been consistently using it for like 3 weeks. So I would say that's another like a month and a half maybe of use. So I probably not by the next update, but maybe by the one after that, like 2 more updates, I should be able to have this finished off. So going through this more quickly than I thought I would have. I have my skincare product, which is the Bite Agave Lip Scrub. Honestly, I might have used this once. I'm just not a big fan of this lip scrub. I don't have any other lip scrubs, and I kind of want to like see if I can make some progress with this, but I just need to be better about actually remembering to use it. I kind of don't love it, and I also just forget to use it. I don't like think, oh, I should use lip scrub, but I feel like I should try to make more of an effort with this one, but didn't make a ton of progress on that. And then my final item is my hair care item. This is the Garnier Fructis Sleek Shot In Shower Styler. I've talked about this before. I just tend to shower at night, so I don't want to use like styling product if I'm showering at night. But I do try to use this if I'm showering in the morning. So I haven't really been showering in the morning, so if I do, I'll try to remember to use this, but I haven't gotten a ton of use out of this either. So that's everything for my update. I feel like the products I want to use up, or I feel like I can use up by the next update, will definitely be this hand cream and this powder. I feel like I'd be very happy if I can get through those 2 products. I feel like that's pretty likely. And then the other product that I'm pretty close on is the primer, but I feel like I've said I'm almost finished with this primer for a lot of months. I'm not even sure how much longer this one will take, but I feel like it's pretty close to being finished. And then everything else, I just want to get some more consistent use out of. I don't feel like I need to wear makeup every day. I'm just in my house, so like what's the point? But I just kind of like it because I like wearing makeup, and I just like the process of still putting it on. And it adds a little bit of normalcy to this whole thing. But anyway, that is my update. Again, I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.